now we're in the key of D major. And this is for the RCM, Royal Conservatory's Celebration Series, Level 5, Repertoire List A. So now you have A major, D major, sorry. You can see the left hand start with an octave for the D. And right hand is a 5-finger pattern. So then you start with it. And you put your hands both into this closed position and parallel. Again, D 5-finger position. E and 2 and 1 and 2. Now, because this is Bach or attributed to Bach, so it's from Baroque period. So what we want to do is let's see if we can detach the 8th note. Detach. It's not full staccato, it's detached. And then the second line, measure 5, is almost it's almost like it. It's a little different. Right? And now when you repeat it, see if you can do it softly. And now remember, that is the tonic because it's number 1 note in D major. And now we're gonna go to the dominant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to be A. So measure 9. Left hand is gonna be on A, the dominant. So now here's an interesting. So remember we learned about 505. That's the 5 chord over the dominant. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 5, the dominant, is going to be on E. So you're gonna go to E. So now the right hand goes like this. Now we're going to modulate to a different key temporarily. So you've got to remember E, D sharp, E, back to D natural and tie, C sharp, A, G sharp, E, D sharp, E, D natural, tie, C sharp, So let's go back to the regular speed again. And then you're gonna go, because we're temporarily in E major. That's the dominant, the 5 over 5. So it's the 5 of the dominant. So you're gonna have a. So now we're finished on dominant, and we have to go back to the beginning because it says DC al fine, da capo al fine. Go from the beginning and finish at fine. And the tradition is, if you go back to do the da capo, you don't repeat. So.